Hello friends, so here I present stir fry veggie tofu noodles. This recipe is loaded with a lot of nutrients from lots of veggies inside and proteins from tofu, and it's a very healthy recipe plus easy to make. You can make it for dinners or Friday evenings, friends get together, or just for a lunch as well. I will divide this recipe into 3 parts. First is tofu cooking, then is veggies, and then the noodles, and then assembling all 3 parts together. Let's begin the recipe. So first we start with all veggies, carrots, garlic chopped, spring onions. For spring onions, just separate the green part and the white part. Green is used for garnish, so we'll use it at the end. Then white onions, jalapenos, celery, and bell peppers. Half cup cabbage, shredded. You can add in less veggies as per your taste. Then we take some tofu cubes. I have taken firm tofu. Just squeeze out all the water before you cut tofu into cubes. Let's make crispy tofu first. So for that we need some oil. Coat tofu with cornstarch. So if there is any water left, it will be absorbed by the cornstarch. Just a little bit, not too much. Toss it lightly. Make sure each cube is covered with cornstarch. Now let's shallow fry it. You can also air fry tofu using air fryer if you are pretty health conscious and want to avoid oil completely. Then you can do so. Let it turn golden brown. This will make it crispy. Remove all fried tofu into paper napkin so it will absorb all the excess oil. And now we need to marinate tofu. We'll make sauce in the same tofu bowl. Take soy sauce first. Little bit of cornstarch which is left in the bowl will make sauce a little bit thick and not too runny. Then we use some tomato ketchup. You can use any type of tomato sauce. Little bit of vinegar, it will give that sour taste. You can use lemon also as an alternative. Then some red pepper to spice it up. Alternatively, you can also use chili sauce. Little bit of black pepper, grounded. Some dried oregano. You can use fresh oregano leaves as well. And our sauce is ready for marination. Little bit of cornstarch which was left in bowl and the ketchup will give the perfect sauce texture to it. The mixture won't be too runny. Now let's coat tofu with the sauce. Cover it with all sides properly. Adding a little bit salt. Let it marinate for 10 minutes so you get proper sauce taste in tofu. Now meanwhile we'll boil the noodles. Take one bowl, add water and add noodles. Here I'm using angel hair macaroni pasta. You can use spaghetti or normal noodles as well. Just make sure it should not stick to each other, so we are adding 2 teaspoons of oil. While noodles are boiling, I'll saute veggies. So take a pan, add a little bit of oil. You can use olive oil or any kind of cooking oil as per your preference. First we add onions and garlic. Saute them till it turns light brown. I like fresh garlic taste, so I'm using it. You can use dry garlic powder as well. You'll get very nice aroma and flavor of garlic and onions. Let it turn a little bit light brown. After this, we add a little bit of ginger paste. You can use fresh ginger as well. First, we add carrots. Carrots are a little bit hard to cook, so we saute them for a minute. Add a little bit of salt here itself, so it's easy to cook carrots and it would not take longer time. Then we add all the greens: celery, bell peppers, jalapenos. For spring onions, we separate the green part. We just add white part right now. The green spring onions are for garnish at the end. We saute rest of the veggies for 2-3 minutes. Do not make it soggy. Let it be crunchy. Now let's cover veggies with some sauces. So we add soy sauce again, some ketchup, some grounded black pepper for spice, now cabbage at the end. It gets cooked pretty fast. You can also switch off the stove. Now we add greens, spring onion greens for garnish. And now our veggies are ready to add noodles and tofu. It's perfectly cooked and crunchy at the same time. Noodles should be 90% cooked, not too smushy. Now strain the noodles with a strainer. Remove all excess water. Since we had put oil, so it will not stick to each other. First we add tofu. Add all excess sauce you have in the veggies. The last step, we add noodles. And now we have to mix it up all together. Do it lightly so it should not break noodles or tofu. And our stir-fried tofu noodles are ready. Noodles tastes better when it is served hot. It looks so yummy and colorful, and it tastes also very good. Do try this recipe and let me know whether you liked it or not. Share it with your friends and family. Thank you for watching my video.